Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the revision of next 3 chapters of grammar. That is chapter number 3, sentence types, chapter number 4, questions, and chapter number 5, commands. This is basically a revision lecture. This is the revision lecture number 2, and yesterday I taught you about sentence and subject and predicate in lecture number 1 of the revision, and it is all from your Perseverance grammar book. Fine, so let us continue. So sentence types, there are basically 4 types of sentence in your syllabus. First is declarative sentence, then we have interrogative sentence, then exclamatory sentence, then imperative sentence. Now I am going to explain you about all 4 kinds of sentence. See, declarative sentence, it is a simple sentence, sadharan vakya. It starts with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop. In interrogative sentence we ask a question. आपसे प्रश्न पूछते हैं, इसमें प्रश्न पूछते हैं. We ask a question and it ends with a question mark. In exclamatory sentence we show some feelings. अपनी कुछ भावनाएं प्रकट करते हैं, हम अपनी भावनाएं बताते हैं. जब हम किसी गर्म चीज को टच कर लेते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, आउच. तो हम उसमें अपनी फीलिंग्स, हमें अंदर से गर्म लगा तभी तो हमने हाथ पीछे कर लिया अपना. सो वी शो आर सडन फीलिंग्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स. और वो किस पे खत्म होता है, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. दिस इज द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क हियर. And in imperative sentences we give commands, order, request, advice. Get up, this is the order. Fine, sit down, this is again the order. Go and take medicine, you will get well soon, this is the advice. Fine, and it just end with a full stop only. So let us move with a further explanation. See, now let us start with declarative sentences. Declarative sentences or assertive, they are also known as assertive sentence. State, assert and declare a fact. कोई भी fact declare करता है वो. It's just a simple statement which ends with the full stop. It ends with the full stop, as I have already told you, like I love my dog. It's a simple sentence. साधारण वाक्य है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. ऑर्डर नहीं है, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं है, एडवाइस नहीं है, कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है, कोई कमांड नहीं है. My new car is black. Again simple sentence. George brushes her teeth twice a day. Again simple sentence. Chemistry is my favorite subject. It is also a simple sentence. My brother really likes social studies. Again it's a simple. They go to the gallery every Saturday. Her shoes were brand new and now they are missing. You go to holiday every summer. So I hope you all have understood what do you mean by declarative sentence. Declarative sentences are the simple sentences which declares a fact. Fine, so let us move on to the next. Now these declarative sentences, they are divided into 2 parts, affirmative and negative. Affirmative are again, they are the, see, this is the picture from your book only. It is like this. Declarative sentence, they are divided into assertive and negative. Now what are declarative? I have already told you. A sentence which says or states something, कुछ बताता है, is a statement, simple statement. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. My name is Goldilocks. I live on hill. Abdul is working hard. These are simple sentences. So they are also known as assertive. Declarative को हम assertive भी बोलते हैं. Now next is negative. अब negative क्या होते हैं? देखो, N for negative, N for not, जिसमें हम कुछ काम करने से मना करते हैं, जिसमें हम never यूज करते हैं, no यूज करते हैं, not यूज करते हैं. We deny to do some action. Now read the statement. A statement can be negative. A negative sentence states that something is not true, कुछ सही नहीं है, and is incorrect. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इज क्रिएटेड बाय एडिंग नॉट, जिसमें हम क्या ऐड करते हैं, नॉट बी, नेवर बी, नो बी. आई हैव नो मनी, वी कैन नॉट से आई हैव नॉट मनी. क्या बोलेंगे, आई हैव नो मनी. डेविड इज नॉट अ हैप्पी पर्सन, आई विल नॉट गो टू स्कूल. अब देखो, देर इज अ डिफरेंस. कंपेयर दीज एंड कंपेयर दीज. These sentences are simple, these are negative. You have to change them in negative. Now look here. I am busy, I am not busy. और याद रखना आप, not हमेशा आता है helping verb के बाद. Not is always used after the helping verb. After the helping verb. Helping verb कौन सी होती हैं? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall. So we use not after the helping verbs. I am busy, I am not busy. The milk is pure, the milk is not pure. The bullocks are strong, the bullocks are not strong. The boy was ill, the boy was not ill. The girls were absent, the girls were not absent. So the negative statement sentences above have common word not. We can use no also somewhere, we can use never also. Fine. So the next is interrogative. Now what are interrogative sentences? I have already told you, in interrogative sentence we ask a question. क्या पूछते हैं इसमें? Question, and it starts with, किससे शुरू होते हैं? WH family, who, what, where, when, why. ठीक है. और किससे शुरू होते हैं ये? Helping verb. और किससे शुरू होते हैं ये? Helping verb. They also starts with helping verb. I have already told you what are helping verbs. So an interrogative sentence ask a question. क्या पूछते हैं हम इसमें? सवाल पूछते हैं, क्वेश्चन. प्रश्नवाचक होते हैं ना, हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं ना प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. So प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह भी लगाते हैं उसमें हम. An interrogative sentence end with a question mark. Example देखिए, who studied for the test? Again there is a question mark and it is starting with WH family. May I sharpen my pencil? Why it is so cold here? So I hope you have understood the interrogative sentences also. Now it is from your book. Compare the sentences. Now these are the simple statement and these are negative. You have to change in negative. Negative में change कर, sorry, not negative, it is interrogative. It is interrogative. Interrogative में change करने के लिए बेटा कुछ नहीं होता. criss cross. criss cross. Helping verb आगे आ जाती है, subject पीछे चला जाता है. Now look here. I am late. Am I late? मैं late हूँ. क्या मैं late हूँ? The windows are open. Are the windows open? These boys were absent. Were these boys absent? So you all can see in the first three sentences the helping verb is in front and after that there is a subject. Now the D part is Rama has a parrot. Does Rama has a parrot? Does Rama has a parrot? क्या रमक के पास parrot है? He has no money. Does he have no money? क्या उसके पास कुछ पैसे भी नहीं है? यहाँ पे हमने does यूज कर दिया. You have a spare pencil. तो कैसे पूछेंगे? Do के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? You के साथ. With he, with singular subject, he, she, it, we use does. With plural subject, with first person and with second person and with third person plural, we use do. Fine. We will say, do you have a spare pencil? He had nothing. He had nothing to say. He had nothing to say. उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है बोलने को. Did he have nothing to say? Now the next is, now again compare them. It is with will and shall. देखो यहाँ पे will और shall है. These are helping verbs, so they will come in front to frame interrogative, and they are modals. These are also can, could, may, might. These are modals. I shall be late. Shall I be late? We shall see you there. Shall we see you there? So these helping verbs are coming in front to frame an interrogative sentence, to frame a question. It will rain today. Will it rain today? It will not rain today. Will it not rain today? You can lend me your book. So what will happen? Subject will go On the second place, can you lend me your book? We must not wait for him. Must we not wait for him? I hope you are getting me. कुछ नहीं होता है इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में, सब्जेक्ट भी सेकेंड नंबर पे आ जाता है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे आ जाती है. सीता इज स्विंग. इज सीता स्विंग? दे आर नॉट कमिंग. आर दे नॉट कमिंग? और यू कैन से आरंट दे कमिंग? This is the short form of are not. This is the short form of are not. Now next is they have seen the zoo. Have they seen the zoo? क्या उन्होंने zoo देखा? The rat is caught in the trap. Is the rat caught in the trap? आप देख रहे हो हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे आ रही है. Hurry was bowled out. Was Hurry bowled out? Hurry was not bowled out. Hurry was not Hurry bowled out. Wasn't Hurry bowled out? Short form of was not. The jar has been filled with water. Has the jar been filled with water? Understood? The next is, now again, these are the statements and these are the questions. अब देखो इसमें क्या होता है. मैंने आपको अभी बताया था डू और डज कहाँ लगता है. जब हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट में तो इट स्टार्ट्स विद डू और डज. डू लगता है फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल के साथ, और डज लगता है थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ, ही, शी, इट. अब यू यूज द सेकंड पर्सन. डू यू नो हरी? दिस पैरट, इट इज सिंगुलर, सो वी विल यूज डज. दिस पैरट स्पीक्स इंग्लिश. Does this parrot speak English? तो यहाँ से S हट जाएगा क्योंकि does के पास ऑलरेडी S चला गया. Cat like milk. Do cats. Cats प्लूरल है यहाँ तो क्या यूज करेंगे? Do. Does के पास पहले ही ES है, वो पहले ही प्लूरल है तो वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज होगा. Do के पास ES नहीं है तो वो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज होगा. Do cats like milk? God made the world. Did God make the world? Did God make the world? Now the next kind of sentence is that is exclamatory sentence. That is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence I have already told you that we express our feelings. ये अभी आपके syllabus में नहीं है but it is the part of your syllabus only because you have to study about it also. So exclamatory sentences and a sentence that express a sudden feeling. अभी मैंने आपको बताया exclamatory sentences में हम क्या express करते हैं? अपनी भावनाएं, our sudden feelings. Joy that are related to joy, sorrow, pity, contempt, admiration, surprise or anger. Like if we say, I have already told you that if there is some hot thing and if we are going to touch it we will say ouch, and if we fell down on the floor we'll say ah, e. We use these expressions now, so these are interjections which end with an exclamatory sentences. If I say wow, look at that beautiful lady walking on the road, so that is again an exclamation sentence. Now see, there are the examples for you all of exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful picture it is. Exclamatory sentence, we are expressing our feelings. How foolish he is. Alas, he is ruined. Alas is an interjection which ends with a exclamation mark. Which ends with an exclamation mark. So after that, there is what a fierce beast it is. What a fierce beast it is. Then again it ends with an exclamation mark. Hooray, I won the match. It is expressing the happiness out. So hooray is an interjection. It is with exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark you all can see. Now hello, how are you? What a beautiful country. Wow, look at a fabulous lady. So when we express our feeling, we use exclamation mark and they are exclamatory sentences. Now imperative. Imperative, it is which chapter in your book? It is the chapter number 4, I think. Yes, this is the chapter number 4. No, 4 is of questions, and imperative I think it is chapter number 5. Imperative sentences को आपकी बुक में नेम दिया है commands. It is given by the name commands. क्या नेम दिया है? Commands. In commands we can say, I have already told you, imperative sentences expresses command, makes a request, expresses a wish. It gives command, order, request, advice. It gives command, order, request, advice with a period. Imperative sentence end with a period. Period means just a full stop. Now you can look here on the sentence. It is like, first is of go to your school. It is go to your class. It is an order. Fine, it is an order. I have already told you imperative sentences includes order, command, request, advice. Go to your school. It is an order. Sorry, class. Please lend me your pencil. Please, it's a request. It is starting with please. Request कर रहे हैं हम. Get the flag quickly. जाओ जल्दी से flag लेके आओ. It's my order. Please return back on your seat. Again there is a request. Be quiet. Order. Be quiet. Kindly pass the book. जो kindly, please से start होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? हमारी request होती हैं. तो आपको बस ये ध्यान में रखना है कि imperative sentence हम बोलते हैं commands को. इसमें हम क्या express करते हैं? Request, advice, suggestion. Fine. Now look here, there are the few examples. No, sorry, it's all over now. So I have explained you the kinds of sentences. Okay, so there are 4 kinds of sentences. First is declarative. Declarative sentence is divided into 2 parts. First is assertive, then it is negative, then we have done with exclamatory sentences, then imperative sentences, then commands. Imperative are also known as commands. Now this is the homework for you. You all can see there are 20 sentences. 10 are these. Then on next page, next slide, there are 10 more. I'm going to WhatsApp you all these sentences and will upload on the EdQuack also. So you have to solve this assignment and submit to me. Fine. So let us discuss the yesterday's homework also. This is the yesterday homework. See, this is the homework solution of your previous assignment. This is the homework solution of your yesterday's assignment. So let us solve this now. So first question was of draw 1 line under the subject and 2 lines under the predicate. Subject के नीचे 1 लाइन खींचनी है आपको और predicate के नीचे 2 लाइन खींचनी है. Predicate के नीचे 2 लाइन खींचनी है. Subject क्या होता है? Doer in the sentence, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, जो काम करता है. और rest of the part is predicate. Now look here. 3 big kids raced across the lawn. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? 3 big kids. So this is the subject. The magician's trick amazed everyone. किसके बारे में बात करी हमने? The magician's trick. Phil sent his friend a text message. कौन है पर्सन? किसने काम किया? Phil. Single line, rest double line. The creaky old door slammed shut. So we are talking about which thing here? The creaky old door. That's why I have done with single line, rest double line. My brother's best friend posted a message on Facebook. Who did the work? My brother's best friend. Then I have underlined, this is the subject and rest is the predicate. Everybody went to beach this morning. Who went to beach this morning? Everybody. So everybody is the subject. Rest is the predicate. Mrs. Potek's car stopped in front of mailbox. Whose car stopped? Mrs. Potek's car. So Mrs. Potek's is the subject over here. The sun shines across the ocean. Who shines? What shines? कौन चमकता है? The sun. So the sun is the subject. The bird's feathers were yellow. किसके feather yellow थे? The bird's feather. We are talking about the bird's feather. So this is the subject. Rest part is the predicate. The carrot sticks were delicious. कौन सी sticks delicious थी? Carrot sticks. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम? Carrot sticks. So this is the subject here. Were delicious is the predicate. I have already told you predicate starts with the helping verb or main verb. James circuits and Ed played miniature golf. So these three persons are subject here. The plastic bag was full of groceries from supermarket. Now we are talking about who? किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about what? The plastic bag. The plastic bag. Fine. So this is the question. This is the subject. Now the next is rearrange the jumbled sentences. This was very easy, I think so. So first is, these are juicy mangoes. These mangoes are juicy. This is the correct answer. Smart is very Alex. Alex is very smart. Are students school we primary? We are primary school students. This is the correct answer. My mother is in the kitchen. This city is densely populated. My father's name is Misson. And the next is, the children are playing in the garden. Again, this is the correct answer. These paintings are fascinating. Adele is my aunt and exercise is easy. I hope you all have understood. Now, what you have to do is complete that assignment and mail me. Fine, that's all for today. Thank you.